This Barricade Frameless Soft Top in Black Diamond is for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ that are looking for a soft top with one of those fastback style looks and not quite the same functionality as a factory top. Now, when you're shopping for a soft top, you're going to find a couple of different options. One's going to be a complete soft top. So if you have a broken frame or you're coming from a hard top, that setup's going to include all of your soft materials as well as your frame and all of your hardware. There are also replacement soft tops. So if you already have a frame and all of your hardware in good working order, you can just get the soft components, attach it onto that frame, and you're going to have a top that looks and works just like a factory soft top. Or the last option is something like this. This is going to give you a different look and a different function than a factory top. So if that's what you're after, this is going to be a good choice. However, do keep in mind that you will need some factory components in order to install this on your Jeep. Some factory soft top components that do not come in this box. So if you don't currently have a soft top, you are going to have to piece those together. We have the part numbers for them on the website, so you'll have to go ahead and order those separately. Do keep that in mind. Regardless, this is going to be a pretty easy install. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches, maybe around 2 hours or so, maybe even a little bit less than that to get this attached on your Jeep. And we'll have somebody walk you through that process in just a minute or two. If you are looking for a fastback top, a bowless top, there are going to be ones that have varying degrees of functionality. Some you can completely remove the rear window. Some have almost like a Sunrider feature like the JKs have, where that front section flips back for you. Those are going to be more expensive. What you're going to get here is one that doesn't have quite the same features, is made of a very factory-like material, not going to be an upgraded sailcloth or anything like that, a fairly standard material. So you're going to save some money, but you're still going to get the look and the function that you're after. So this is going to be the Black Diamond material. Of course, TJs came with a couple of different colors of top, even changing depending on the year. The aftermarket came out with some of those sailcloths, some of those heavier duty cloth materials as well. This is going to be a little bit more of a basic black material, again, that Black Diamond material. Still going to look great, still going to hold up really well, especially depending on what your current soft top looks like. This is going to be a huge improvement for you, but it is going to help to keep the cost down a little bit, which is really nice. This does come with the 2 side windows that are separate. Those can be zippered out. The rear window is attached to the rest of the top. It can be rolled up. And then, of course, this is not designed to be completely convertible to fold into the trunk space like a factory top because it lacks the frame and the hardware to do that. Now, speaking of hardware, I mentioned a couple of pieces are going to be necessary to get this installed on your Jeep. You're going to need a header. You're also going to need some pieces from your factory soft top like your door surrounds, your tailgate bar, maybe a couple others. So make sure you take note on the website there of exactly what you're going to need to have, or if you don't have it, to purchase in order to get this installed. It's not going to come with everything that you need right in the box like some of the more expensive options do. Now, a member of the install team will show you how to get this attached to your TJ.
Install a new header to the windshield frame. With the help of a second person, place the bowless top, without the side windows installed, over the roll bar. Make sure the crossbar is resting on the rear roll bar. Now slide the top forward and position foam supports on top of the plastic door surround. Pull and lock plastic side retainers into the door surround. Front side rain flap should be pulled out over surrounds. Pull top forward and lock front plastic retainer into windshield header. Make sure retainer is held in the full length of the header. Slide center strap between roll bar and sound bar. Pull through windshield footman loop. Slide strap through buckle and pull tight. Slide second plastic strap loop forward and insert extra strap through the loop. Attach the side window zipper to the bowless top. Pull zipper a third of the way back. Do not pull all the way back at this time, and repeat for the other side. Attach rear side window zipper to the bowless top rear window. Pull zipper down about 3 inches, but do not pull all the way down at this time, and repeat for the other side. Fish the rear buckle strap behind the side window and rear window zipper. Strap should run parallel to the roll bar. Repeat for the other side. Pull buckle strap down to body tub. Hook strap to the inside of the tub and pull tight. Secure Velcro straps and repeat on the other side. Working from the front of the vehicle, pull side window lower plastic retainer down and lock into body. Pull rear corner down and then lock into body, and then repeat for the other side. Pull side window to bolus top zipper all the way back. Pull sides of the bolus top over the side window and secure with Velcro. After, repeat for the other side. Slide rear window tailgate bar onto top. The rear bar is to be reused from factory hardware. Pull rear window down and lock rear tailgate bar into the body tub retainer bracket.
This top's gonna run you $360. I do think that's gonna be a pretty good deal for the quality and the functionality that you're getting out of this soft top. Now, do keep in mind that you're gonna have to purchase some additional components to make this work if you're not coming from a soft top. If you have a soft top and all the factory components, this is going to attach easily. If you're coming from a hard top, you're gonna have to purchase some additional things, and that is going to drive up the overall cost of running this top. However, when you consider all of the other tops that are out there, I think that you are getting good quality here, and I think you are getting a fair number of features for the cost. So if you're looking for a quality bowless soft top, I would recommend taking a look at this option from Barricade, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.